Hey everybody, Sunit Agrawal here with Best Ag Homes Group and Big Block Realty North, and today we're at my brand new listing at 4359 Niobe Circle in the Anatolia neighborhood in Rancho Cordova. You have access to the Anatolia Clubhouse. This home is just under 2,700 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. There's a great bonus loft area upstairs that can be used for so many things. So we're super excited to present this new listing, 4359 Niobe Circle in Rancho Cordova. Come check it out. If you have any questions about this home or any other home, hit me up. We'd love to talk, and we'll see you at our next listing.